do you have an opinion on the industry as far as like where do you see the industry in the future, or do you see the tattooing going in a specific direction? Do you think that we are at the climax of tattooing? Do you think tattooing is going to get bigger? Do you think people are going to get bored of tattooing? Like, have you ever given yourself that question or thought about it?
I don't think people will get bored about tattoos.
Okay.
But I see that like styles are changing like a lot. Like
Okay.
I respect every like any kind of styles, the old ones, the new one.
Yeah.
Like now I see that there are like ones that looks like just a sketch and that's art now,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
know. So I don't know how it's gonna look the future, like if it's gonna be just a machine like doing the tattoo for itself,
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
I don't know. But like me being on this industry for 3 years, like I don't have that much experience,
Yeah.
but I can say that it's getting better.
Yeah.
I feel that it gives more opportunities to people to be open with the art that they
Okay.
wanna do.
Yeah.
Like I don't know.
I see what you're saying. Yeah, like it's no, it's cool. It's cool, and I see what you're saying because I feel like people are getting more creative, and I also feel that so the styles before were very defined.
Mm-hmm.
Like you had new school, and you had realism, and you
Mm-hmm.
had, and I feel like what's happening now is that people are almost like remixing everything into you see
Mm-hmm.
people who are creating these pieces, including myself,
Yeah.
and they're just like a combination of different styles and different
Mhm.
things, and